With the SOLIDWORKS add-in for SimScale, it's quick and easy to export your model directly from SOLIDWORKS into a simulation project so that you can analyze your design. In this circumstance, we're going to be looking at a frequency analysis of a battery pack. So we'll set up that simulation, and then from the simulation results here, we can see that we have an unwanted eigenfrequency at around 240 Hertz. So we're going to go back into SOLIDWORKS now and change the design to stiffen up this bracketry and try and eliminate that unwanted frequency. So once we've made our design change in SOLIDWORKS, we can then export directly back out to SimScale again using the SOLIDWORKS add-in. We can add it to the same project or create a new project directly from SOLIDWORKS. Then, within seconds in SimScale, we can duplicate the project, swap out the CAD geometry, and start a new simulation. We have full associativity, so there's no need to reassign boundary conditions or make material assignments again. So within a few seconds, we have our new simulation running, and we can see that the design is now stiffer, avoiding that low eigenfrequency and pushing our first natural frequency up to about 320 Hertz.